What's up, guys? Mike Katz here. This is a second go around. I just spent 10 minutes doing a video when I realized I had the mic on mute. So, because I got to run out of here, this will be a shorter video and we'll just cover a little bit less. But today was a nice day. We had the SPYs go down, had a pretty nice drop midday, mainly because we are just coming off of all-time highs. And we've had some pretty good up days and some gap ups with no follow through, but also because Kaplan today said that they're probably not going to raise as much rates as people thought. And then Trump said that there might be some new tariffs on China. So that caused this in the market, which was pretty welcome because at the same time, I was short some Amazon. And the reason I'm short Amazon is because I'm watching it now. This is my main watch every day. I'm trading lots of options around it. And by doing that, I'm zoned in and I'm focused on the symbol. So when I see things, I spot anomalies and I spot certain situations where I feel like there might be an imbalance and I can jump in and try to take advantage of it in addition to the options trade. So that's kind of what was going on here. We were tight in Amazon, wedging and making lower highs and higher lows right after a big run up from last week. And right around here where risk was pretty tight off of here, I felt like I can put some on. If it worked, I'd like to get some more. And that's what we did here. So let's see. That's the Amazon chart. Got a starter. When it broke 2016, I added some more, the whole time risking off of here. And this little shakeout move here ended up probably trapping some longs, shaking out some shorts, and then those headlines hit, and then, wow, beautiful trade, beautiful sell-off, and I didn't hesitate. I just wanted to get it off, because if I'm in something and what I expect to happen happens in a matter of a few minutes instead of a few hours, guess what? I am working my way out of that trade. That's a windfall, and I'm saying thank you, and then I'll revisit it down the road. But that's why I got out of Amazon. That was really good, and that set the stage for some other pretty good trades. When I'm seeing green on my screen, I'm probably trading a lot better than when I'm seeing red on my screen, and that probably goes for most traders, right? But the next symbol I was in was APRN. APRN, they just had a headline that said they're going to be offering some BYND products, right? Beyond Meat products. Well, I don't know why that's supposed to run up. Everybody in the trading world knows that this doesn't belong where it is. It's up too much, but it's just a matter of timing it right. So this one being as strong as it was, having a 1 for 15 reverse split a few days ago, the float being 6 million, and most people probably didn't realize this is a low float now. This ended up getting a pretty ridiculous move to the upside. I took a stab on it here. I took a stab on it right there when it got parabolic and volume came in and a topping tail on 5 minute at around 11 and a quarter. And it worked pretty quickly. It looked like it was going to go and it looked like it was going to fall apart, but instead it went sideways and reclaimed and went for new highs. And I'm really proud of myself for being able to just cut this one instead of wanting to fight it. And the fact that I was able to cut it allowed me to get pretty aggressive later on when I saw it again. So, and another time when I'm not trading as well, I might have cut it here, and I might have tried to short it here again, and then cut it here again. By that time, you know, a couple of scrapes and bruises, but this time I was, you know, I kept my powder dry. I'd only lost a little bit here, and I was waited for my setup. So the setup here was a parabolic volume, topping tail, you know, a blow-off type of a top. Well, here was different. Here was more like an H pattern, lowercase h, big drop after a huge move up, and then a bounce. And then I kind of anticipated this lower low with half size here, added more on a breakdown, risking off of here, off of 60s. And then this one was not fun because the position was a little bit bigger, because I had, you know, a pretty nice green day. I tend to trade bigger and put on more risk when I'm trading well. And this was no exception. I was pretty big here. And it ended up working out. Had it gone here, I probably would have been sitting here saying, why did I size up? But this one ended up working out, covered half around here, and then the other half going into the close with an algorithm just to get me out by the bell. So I did some puts around here as well, and then this is the equity chart on that. So that was really good. But you know, if only 50% win rate, it's just a matter of keeping the loss small and then just hitting it harder when it felt right and try and get again. So that was good. CAPR, didn't do a whole lot in it today. I covered a piece of the position, and I'm still in that one. And then SOLY is acting pretty weak, which is very nice. We started into this one yesterday, and it's been fading pretty hard. And I didn't trade this one today. I just stayed in the position, and that's working out. And then Teva was a pretty good one. Opioid headline yesterday, SSR. Didn't do a whole lot here yesterday, but then today I felt, what I feel? I felt that this setup here was pretty good, pretty interesting. I felt like I had the morning spike up right on the open, and then right back down to the 840s, and then we were coming up here with a topping tail. You could see more volume here on this topping tail candle than the previous green bars. So I felt that this was kind of a good spot to get short versus highs, and that's what I did. So I got in there, and then when it started working, I added some more. So this was pretty good patience here, just letting it work, letting my risk take me out, my stop take me out if it wanted to get above here, above 60. Otherwise, when it came back down here to the lows and it started, instead of bouncing, it started going sideways, I got bigger and just was able to capitalize on that little drop there. So Teva was also a good one, and overall, just pretty nice day. Market, we have some earnings. We have Netflix tomorrow. We had CSX tonight. That seems to be dropping pretty hard. And I'm going to head back to my desk and check this out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully everybody had a great day. This is Mike Katz with 7 Points Capital.